Hello, everybody. Anita here, and welcome to my channel. I am so psyched and excited today. It's a new week, and we get to make new goals. We need to make new intentions and focus our attention on what we can give the world, what we can give the people around us. What are some of your goals? What are some of the achievements that you would like to make? This is an amazing day. It's a day for new beginnings. It's the start of the week, and it's also almost the full moon. We can set all our intentions. We can set new ways of doing things, new ideas that are inspired by spirit. And I just pray that each one of you is richly blessed by God, the universe, Jesus, the angels, that you come into alignment with all that you want to achieve in your life, all the family love, all the relationship love, all the finances, all of it. I just pray that you align with all of it and things start unfolding for you. Look for miracles, look for opportunities. Keep track of what's coming into your life and count it. If you get a discount for something, or a coupon that saves you money, or a freebie, count it. That's money saved that you would have been spending on something. If somebody offers you a free meal or a free outfit, count that too. It's all abundance. If you enter sweepstakes like I do for fun and you win something, count that too. That's all abundance. That's income. That's increase. Excuse me. We have to appreciate everything that comes into our lives. Appreciate all the good around us, all the beauty, all the changing colors. It's fall. It's amazing. Things are happening, and they're happening fast. Creative ideas are on a high point right now. The angels surround you, and all you have to do is ask. Just ask for ideas, ask for inspiration. What is it that you want to do in this world? What is it you want to do in your family? What is it you want to do in your finances? Do you want to write a book? Go ahead, go for it. You can self-publish it on Kindle. There is so many ways you could get started doing things. Even start little, just going in some direction and ask for guidance. You are so incredibly blessed, and most people don't even know it. They don't even realize it. You woke up this morning. God woke you up. How exciting is that? Every breath you take is another opportunity to make a change in your situation, whatever that might be. This is a great time to be alive. So many things are happening. So many things are manifesting so fast. Synchronicities are at a high. And be aware of the numbers around you and in your dreams. Write them down. Maybe even keep a journal or a scripting journal or just a blessed where you write down everything that comes into your life. Even if it's a penny, be grateful for it. That is increase. Pennies from heaven, my mom used to say, that are put in your path to show that abundance is coming your way. She also taught me to always say, "In God I trust," when I pick up a penny. I love to find money, any denomination of it. Pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters. It just shows me that bigger things are coming. But this is an amazing day. It's beautiful here in Noel, Missouri, And I just want to share my gratitude for each and every one of you. I want to share my gratitude for life, for every breath I take. I want to share my gratitude for everything that's appearing in my life. And I welcome you and encourage you to do the same thing. Put a smile on your face. Go out in your world. Or if you can't go outside for some reason, go online and spread some positivity. Spread some love today. Give somebody a smile. Give them a hug today. This is an amazing day to set new goals, new intentions, and get out there and make a difference. I love each and every one of you, and you are deeply and divinely loved. Don't ever question that. You are here for a purpose. You have a purpose in your life, even if it's raising children. I was a stay-at-home mom for years, although I did things out of my home to make money also. So with that, I say God bless you. May his face shine upon you, and may you be richly blessed. You are protected. The angels are around you. So just sharing my excitement today, that's all I want to say. I am so happy to be alive, and I just share that with you. I love you guys. Peace out, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.